So MIUI 14 is here and I feel like it's a perfect time to talk about Xiaomi as a brand. Well, at least in India. Xiaomi debuted in India with Redmi 1 in July 2013 and it is almost 10 years now. And as a person who has been carefully noticing Xiaomi for a very long time, I am here to talk about what I love about Xiaomi as a brand and things I hate about it. Xiaomi has been leading as a trendsetter in tech community for a while now. All the features that we use today in a mid-range smartphone like high refresh rate, high megapixel cameras, even though it is a gimmick, it feels cool to say, my 15,000 phone has a 64 megapixel camera and your 30,000 pixel 6A has only 12 megapixel camera. What a shitty phone. But yes, Xiaomi is one of those brands which forced other brands to bring more features into the mid-range segment. Even though Xiaomi's official software support for even premium mid-range devices is mediocre at best, your devices are saved from becoming obsolete by custom ROM developers. This has become majorly possible because Xiaomi supports such development by releasing the source code on GitHub. For example, devices like Redmi Note 7 Pro may not receive official updates anymore, but it can still be updated to Android 13 via the custom ROMs. Xiaomi phones are one of the most value for money phones, at least they used to be a year ago. Xiaomi has a track record of releasing one of the most value for money phones like Poco F1, Poco X3 Pro and Redmi K20 Pro. Now for some things which are not very nice about Xiaomi, and I am really trying to be modest here. First thing which I don't like is the software. I have a question. I just have one question. What the hell, man? Like, up until MIUI 10, everything was going so well, features were great, OS was stable, and then arrived MIUI 11 and 12. It was buggy, it was laggy, not stable at all. At least it wasn't breaking something. But then came the legendary MIUI 13, which converted all of our devices into expensive paperweights. Countless complaints on social media about camera dead, speaker dead, display dead and so much more. It used to be such a refined software experience and now I'd rather look at a fully loaded dump truck than that UI. What could be a cherry on top of the list of features that I mentioned above? The absolutely shitty service and lies. Imagine if your phone has one of these issues and your phone is under warranty. Even then, they do every trick in the book to charge you for it. And usually the issue is motherboard dead, which will easily cost you from 8 to 25,000 rupees depending upon the price of your phone. I used to own a Mi Band 5 which died suddenly during my warranty period, and guess what they said? Water damage. Like hell it was water damage and I don't even know about it. Get real. So yeah, there's that. That was my rant about it. Anyway, if you're looking to build a gaming PC under 35,000, check my description. It has some component suggestion that may interest you. And finally, subscribe to the channel. It would be amazing. Bye bye now.